Corrupted assets often trigger DirectX crashes. EA app, go to My Collection, Battlefield 6 Manage, Repair. Steam, right-click Battlefield 6, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. #2, reset or reinstall DirectX. 1, press Win R, type TAI. You can see the code in our conversation history. Check for any issues at the bottom. 2, download and run the DirectX end-user runtime web installer from Microsoft. 3, reboot your PC. 3, update or roll back GPU drivers. Recent GPU driver updates, especially NVIDIA, can cause DXGI crashes. Use Display Driver Uninstaller DDU in safe mode. Reinstall a stable version, NVIDIA 552.xx or 551.xx, AMD 24.3.1 or earlier. Restart and test the game. 4, disable ray tracing and future frame rendering. Inside Battlefield 6 settings. Graphics, disable ray tracing, disable future frame rendering, set DX12 equals off, use DX11. These settings reduce GPU load and eliminate most DirectX crashes. #5, disable overlays and background apps. Turn off Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, EA app overlay, MSI Afterburner, or Riva tuner. Then relaunch the game. 6, increase virtual memory page file. 1, open system properties, advanced performance, settings, advanced virtual memory change. 2, uncheck automatically manage. 3, set both initial size and maximum size to 1.5x your RAM size, e.g. for 16GB RAM, 24,576 MB. 4, click apply, then restart. 7, run Battlefield 6 as administrator. Right-click Battlefield 6, properties, compatibility, run as administrator. Do the same for EA app, Steam. 8, optional, clean reinstall, last resort. If nothing works, 1, backup your saves, documents, Battlefield 6. 2, uninstall the game. 3, delete leftover files in. You can see the code in our conversation history. 4, reinstall fresh. Bonus tip, you can limit the crash frequency by capping FPS at 60 or 120 via, you can see the code in our conversation history. Change the line. You can see the code in our conversation history. SEO title, fix Battlefield 6